Hello guys, hello and welcome. I am your data analyst, BMK data analyst with another new and exciting project. So today we are going to create a very good visualizations in Power BI. So let's start with the visualization. So let's see initially, this is my Power BI file and I set up a report and which is a supermarket data analysis project Power BI. So I want to analyze this e-commerce store data and will show you how it will create a very good, you know, uh, visualizations for the analysis of your data. So let's go to see the data. So this is number of rows. We have around 9,904 rows data as our e-commerce store. And let's go back to the report view. So let's start it. So this is our visualization tab. So let's click on it. And what I want to create in my, visualizations, I want to show, the summary and how the sales is going on, how much quantity sell, and, how what our customers are. So let's click on it. Okay, so we just delete it. This is a visualization pan. Let's click on the card visual. Let's take a card, 2 or 3 cards, and let's see. I want to take some, you know 2 or 3 cards too. Okay, let's just copy it because I want to make a format of my report initially. So this is there, this is there, and this is there, right? So that's great, right guys? So in my first card, I would like to take the overall, not the quantities. What is majorly important in e-commerce store is our orders. So let's count our orders, not first orders. I want all the orders. So we got around 509 orders. So here you can see this is the count of orders and how many customers we have. So let's count our customer from the customer ID, and this is there, and let's go to the count and let's count it up. So we have total 793 customers and which orders around 5,009 orders. And let's see how many regions we have, or how much quantity we have sold. So let's see it. So we have around sold 30,000 items we have in our quantities, and let's see how much product we have. So we have around, how many products we have? So we have around 11862 products. Okay, so we took all these 3 cards, and what I want to do, I want to make it, you know select all. Okay, so I want to take the background behind of this canvas. So let's check this out, if I can take a wallpaper or a color, so I can take this color, so it can show me that there is some, spacing or okay. So let's go back again. Let's see, I want to take a little lighter color. Okay, so that's great. So now you can see we have how much the orders, and this is over 4 KPIs. You can call it as KPIs as well. Here you will know this is your order ID, this is your customer ID, and this is your quantity, and this is your total product. So let's just do a little bit of formatting of one of the cards, so you will easily, you know so yeah, here it is, and here it is, right guys? So these are our first start. So what I want to do, I want to make some cosmetic changes in this card visuals, right? Okay, so let's make some cart cosmetic visualizations, cosmetic changes in this cart. So let's click on the journal category. Let's click on the title, and this is total orders, right? Let's give it a heading of heading 2. Let's make it bold. Let's the color is black, it's fine. And yeah, there should be some background color, so I want to add this, or maybe a lighter color, which could be, I think, this color I like. So this is the total orders, and yes, I want to bring the certain, some title is off, off, header icon. Okay, so let's go back and see if I want to change this family, and I want to make it black, right? So now you can see the total orders as well, but the color is not look good to me, so I want to change it to, okay, so that's the good format. And I want to close this count of orders because I can see its total orders as well. So category label is closed, right? I want to copy this from picture and format painter to this card, and again select format painter to this card, again select the format painter to this card. So as you can see, but we have to give the headers again by ourselves. So let's go to it's, I think, the total customer. Yes, it's our total customers, right? As you can see, the formatting is done by itself. It's the total customer, and let's give it a heading again. It's total quantity, right? And it's total product. So total products. So that's great, right? So just save it. So this we have done with the cards, and what we have in our data. Let's see. I have the product, the categories. Okay, so for the categories, let's take a donut chart. Let's make it a little bigger, or let's just close this in. So make this as, okay. So let's pick the category in it. Not there. Just remove this. Let's take the category in the pie chart, and let's take how many orders per category is got. So let's take this, and let's see, this is our pie chart. Okay, so, and I can take another donut chart, or okay, so it's just over all. Okay, so that's been the pie chart, and I want to see my regions basically. Where we are, it's a segment like office, furniture, technology, and consumer, corporate, and where from which orders we got more segments, right? So you can take it here as well, or no, you can take it here as well and make it a little bigger. So we have used four cards which represent as total orders, total customers, total quantity we have sold, total products. And here we have around over segments. So we can title it as well and go again, go, and we can change top segments, top selling segments, right? So we have top selling segments, and let's go to the journal. Let's give it again the, the, here is top selling segments. You can give it, I think the 20 is fine, or you can change, that's the top selling segments, right? And what we can do with this, we can give some spacing as well. So that's it. And this is your top selling categories. So let's click on it. Top categories. Okay, let's take it. Top categories, right? So there is some spell mistake over here. So this is your top categories. So let's do C, format painter, and put it there. Okay. So now you can see our reports is coming into a shape. So now we know how many top selling segments we have. We have three segments: consumer, corporate, and home office. So our consumer is doing good with 5191 orders. Categories, we have top category which is office, right? The consumer and the office. Those are our top categories. So here we are, and let's take a bar chart. It shows over month-on-month orders. So for showing month-on-month orders, I'll see, okay, rather than the quantity, we should keep the profit. And rather than the product ID, we should take the sales. Let's change its title, total profit, right? And total sales. The cards which I added initially was called a vanity matrix. So total sales, right? Okay guys, so here we took a bar chart, and let's see how many orders we got from okay, total customers, total orders, total profit, total sales, or top categories, and let's see, over a month, and order ID. So let's see, we have monthly sales orders. So let's make it monthly sales orders. So let's format it again. Okay, so let's see, and so this is your monthly sales bar chart, right? I want to show some line on it. So let's see if I can do this, or I can show line on y-axis so I can show the sales, so which can tell us total orders by sales. Okay, so now you can see from January the sales went up higher and then lower, and then here is it higher. So this is your monthly sales orders. But let's take this monthly sales orders, and this is what I want to add. One more thing is the map from which countries our customers ordering more. So let's click on it, the application, and order. Okay, not the language. I think we should take this map, and now you can see from the North America we have more orders. You can pick this as both size, so you can give it a filter of zoom. So now you can see from the cities you got more orders. Bubbles color is fine, but what if this from this region got more orders? But what if I want to? So this is my supermarket data analysis, where I can tell if I click on this, it's a clickable. If I click on the consumer, so it will tell me month on month sales. It will tell me where we orders more. Okay, there is one thing which is form painter onto this. So count order I didn't buy it, but we can call it the top cities. So that's me. Top cities, white cities by order. Okay, so this is over my basic dashboard. Okay, and if I want to see my office supplies goes where more, so you can see these regions. We can have their name as well, like we can shift it into the heat map as well, but it's not good. I think this is good enough, my maps. So this is overall for today. This is my you know and you can make it clear, like you can check in January, so it will change the numbers according how many orders you have in January, how many customers come, how many profit you make, how many sales you make. And in the fab the number is changing, like you can see the big bubble, which is this. You can click it and you got how many orders in all those categories. And for example, if you want to check the your technology orders comes where, so you can check their month on month sell, which is increasing actually from month on month. And the more orders comes from technology, which is 1500. The office supplies category is like 3700, and your total orders categories furniture is. So this is for today. This is very basic dashboard, but I try to create more good dashboards for you in coming future. If you like my work, my simplicity of designing a dashboard, so please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you once again.